YouTube, internet, are you there? All right. Welcome to DJ Nards TV. My name is Daniel Bernards. DJ Nards was what a 25-year-old me thought would be a great Instagram handle. Thank you so much for being here. Viaje is the name of the series that will be chronicling my journey. Quitting my job, buying a 50-year-old van, great idea, right? And packing up with my best friend, 13-year-old yellow lab, Hank, and seeing if we can travel the world. This channel is about FOMO. Normally, fear for us has us not doing the thing. It's the survival instinct that keeps us safe. Afraid of heights? You don't need to climb that mountain. Afraid of snakes? You don't need to go into the jungle. Fear has somehow flipped for me. We only have one life, and if you could do anything with it, what would you do? And so this is my cannonball into that. I cannot wait for you guys to see this. It has been profound in so many different ways. It has been mind-blowing for me. It has been difficult. It has been heartbreaking at times. It has been so special. Every week has felt like a year's worth of experience, and I can't wait for you guys to watch it. But in the meantime, I want you guys to check out some drone shots. Thank you for following. Please like and subscribe and follow.